All right, here we have our 1994 Mitsubishi Minicab. It's a pretty clean model. It has a bit of surface rust in a few areas, and I'll try and point as many of them out. Most of them are primarily towards the bottom rear here. We have another spot around here. But overall, the truck is in excellent condition. Here's the interior. So you can see, super clean. It is a 5-speed manual, 4x4, and it runs absolutely perfect. Go ahead and give it a bit of a gas so you can hear the engine. And there you have it, our 1994 Mitsubishi Minicab.